y'all see the, y'all, hold up. So, as you can see, your girl got a record player. I'm super excited about this record player. You guys have no idea. Like, literally no idea. In addition to the record player, it is Halloween. I am going to be giving you guys Halloween inspired videos and looks all month, okay? I'm gonna do my absolute best to give you guys as many looks as possible, as many videos as possible. I'm gonna try to get as much content in one video as possible. So without further ado, let's get to this video. As you can tell from the title of this video, I am doing an angel inspired look, and I'm super excited. I also got a whole bunch of Halloween like makeup stuff that I want to show you guys from Walmart, and I just want to give you guys some ideas, because like
people are always like, oh my god, like who am I gonna be for Halloween?
I don't know who you're gonna be for Halloween, but I can tell you where you can get the stuff, so when you do figure it out, you know where to go. And they had so many things. I didn't even get as much as I wanted to get, so I'm definitely gonna do another one of these before Halloween ends. But we're gonna hurry up, go through all of this stuff, and then we're gonna get into this video. Alright, so this is my halo. At least I'm gonna treat it like a halo. And this was $3. Then we got some blood scab. I'm not even gonna use some of this stuff in the video, but I just wanted to show you guys just different stuff. This is whenever you do like scabs and stuff, you guys are gonna see me use this, so this is important. That's $3 as well. Then I got black cream makeup, and it's basically paint. And this is 98 cents. I also got red grease paint. This one's 98 cents. And I got some fake blood. This one was $3. I also got liquid latex. This was about $3 as well. And last, I got a big kit that has different colors. And this was about $6. So that's all the stuff that I got. So without further ado, if you want to see what I did to get that look at the beginning, let's get right to the video. Alright Gaiaverse, so I am back. I know I changed my shirt. The only reason why I changed my shirt is because I was filming a TikTok and I didn't want to look that crusty for TikTok. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I let y'all see my crustiness on YouTube. I be like, I don't care. I don't care. Y'all could see me crusty because y'all see me transform, so you didn't see the most. But let's get into the look. So I've been thinking about this look now. If you do not have Plouise base, as always, I'm using my Plouise base. Now this Plouise base is more special than any other day. Like, this is really gonna be my eyeshadow, so I have to make sure this is blended out to perfection, okay? If you do not have Plouise base, you can always use like a white paint, just anything that's a white base, okay? So I'm gonna get a mildly fluffy brush to kind of bend, kind of like this. I said bend, blend. Okay, boom. That's the type of brush I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna just blend this Plouise base out as much as I can. circular motions. You know the drill, y'all. Y'all know the drill. And I always try to kind of cat eye my base, kind of. Y'all see what I'm doing? Y'all see. Alright, so next I'm gonna grab my Morphe palette. This one's a really old palette. It is my 35P palette. I'm going to grab this pale white shade, okay? I'm gonna grab this pale white shade. I'm gonna grab another fluffy brush. Dip into it. I'm gonna cover my entire lid with it. This shade is kind of white, honestly. It's like a white color, and obviously it looks really pretty. This is really pretty. I wanted this look to be really wearable. Like, I want to do looks that are for my girls who like to be dramatic, and for my girls who kind of want something a little bit more simple, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like this look is definitely gonna be on one of my more wearable sides for Halloween. And I feel like anyone can be an angel, you know? Like, an angel is a pretty easy outfit you can put together for Halloween. When you guys see my outfit, you're gonna be like, wow, it is really simple. So now I'm gonna take my Box of Crayons palette from the crayon case, and I'm gonna take white. Now, it's a very shimmery white color, and I feel like it'd be the perfect color to just pop on my lid. So we're just gonna pop this color right here on the lid. I'm not going to put anything as a base because, as you can see, there's no reason to. This just blends perfectly. I feel like this is so easy. I feel like anyone can do this look. I feel like this is, I know I keep saying this, but I feel like this really is for my girls who want something simple to do for Halloween. And I'm here to give you the juice. Make sure that it is blended. All right, now one thing I hate is when I do my foundation first and I kind of get eyeshadow down here. Luckily, it's just a silver. This white shade isn't anything dark, so that's why I knew I could do my foundation first. If I'm doing a dark look, I'm definitely not going to do my foundation first. So now I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. I have this NYX Epic Wear. It's supposed to be waterproof, and I'm gonna put that on. Wish me luck. So I'm gonna grab some duo glue and I'm gonna pull it right here. I really don't want it to cover the entire lid. I'm gonna grab a little teeny weeny bikini, eensy weensy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. A little teensy weeny. I cannot stop saying that. A little teensy weeny. A little tiny brush, and tilt my head back. When you're putting on glitter, always tilt your head back, guys. Tilt that head back. And I'm just making sure it's blended That is gorgeous, y'all. I don't know if y'all could see how pretty this is, but it is really pretty, and it's just that little pop of glitter that I really needed. I'm gonna grab my NYX Jumbo pencil, and I'm gonna line my inner corner with that white, because we definitely want my eyes to pop. This is coming out really pretty. I'm going to be using my high maintenance lashes. I use this brand very frequently, guys. Every video. Grab some high maintenance lashes and I'm gonna get it popping. So now I'm gonna grab some mascara. I'm using my Maybelline Great Lash. We're going to add some mascara. So I'm about to highlight, y'all. I'm feeling myself. I literally look like a beautiful doll. I just look really pretty. I'm gonna highlight using my Warrior palette. I'm using the shade Marimi, as always, of course. I'm gonna just highlight, ooh, because we wanna look angelic and glowy. And I'm gonna grab a little small brush and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. So now I'm gonna grab my lip pencil by Morphe. I'm grabbing the shade Bite Me, and I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna grab this lipstick by Ruby Kisses, Nude Rose. It is a matte lipstick. Now, as much as I want to keep it matte, I feel like for this look, I'm gonna need some lip gloss. So I'm gonna grab my 24K Gold and I'm gonna gloss it up. So let's go ahead and finish off the look with some Milani Make It Last setting spray. And alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this video, because I got more content coming for you. Because it's Gaia Ween, baby. Baby, it's Gaia Ween. It's Gaia Ween. Okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video.